Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how this awesome paper airplane flies. So I'll give you a little bit history about this paper airplane. This one is my first design. I created the paper airplane 10 years ago, around that time, but the paper airplane did not fly very well. I didn't know how to adjust the wings to make the plane work, but now I rework on it and I realized, yeah, I can make it fly better. And let's check it out now. This plane should fly very well at this time. Okay, let's take a look at this, and I will throw it up at 30 to 45 degrees. Rapid. So it flies very far, huh? Let's try to throw it back over here. Go stand here and throw again. Oh, careful. Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Wow, it's really far away. Now you'll be on this side, I'll be on the other side. You'll be on that side. You right there, then you'll stay over there. Not yet, not yet. Hold on. Go. Yeah, try again. You should throw it harder. You should throw it harder. I want to see how far this one can fly. Let's go back over there and throw it to me. It's here about more than 100 feet, huh? Throw it. Throw. Okay. Who want turn? Who wants to take turn? Throw it to me, okay, Jaden? Go. Very good. Pick it up. You can throw it, you can stay over there. Stay over there. Okay, let's throw it to this angle. Yeah. Oh no. We lost it. Oh my gosh. No. My favorite paper airplane. It's gone.